ẹ kálẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa mo kí wa o ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú Rivers State ìgboro ti dàrú ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí ìlú Rivers State ká wá lọ wo ohun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ níbẹ̀. Fubara wọ́n ti arrest ẹ o ààrẹ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu ó ti order arrest of Fubara the present governor of Rivers State tí wọ́n ti yọ kúrò tán ní kó lọ rọ́kún nílé náà fún oṣù 6 wọ́n ti arrest ẹ̀. Èmi pẹ̀lú èèyàn kan a sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ mi ò rántí ẹnìyẹn mọ́ mo ní care is not taken wọ́n máa arrest ẹ̀ torí tẹ bá ń gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n ń sọ nípa Fubara wọ́n ti fi àwọn allegation kan kàn án ó jó secretariat ní ó ṣe kinní ni ó ṣe gbá ni ó ṣàwo ni mo mọ̀ bí tí wọ́n fi ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ bí tí wọ́n fọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ end sí ni ṣé mọ̀ wípé Nyesom Wike òun pẹ̀lú Tinubu ibi tí wọ́n dì sí òye wa o Ọlọ́run bá gbọ́ President of Nigeria Jagaban APC Nyesom Wike PDP ṣùgbọ́n PDP ti Nyesom Wike ó fi tọ́ dúdú sínú tó funfun síta ni fún aráyé géèmù tó ń play kò yé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn wà látàlá ẹ̀ ń rúgbó bọ̀ ṣé rántí nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ọ̀ṣun State nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ọ̀ṣun State dí máa ń ṣe pé Ọlọ́run lè pa náà ni ó yẹ kó declare state of emergency ṣé rántí gba ṣé 2004 kọ́ mo pé nígbà kí wọ́n ti pè president Ọbásanjọ́ bóun náà ṣe declare state of emergency ní ìsìnà Èkìtì pẹ̀lú which state méjì ní nígbà yẹn náà lọ́hùn tó ń declare state of emergency ṣe rí bí ìgboro ti dàrú ẹ jẹ́ ká.
They are attacking the governor of Rivers State. Governor of Rivers State under attack. Yes, the governor of Rivers State under attack. Nothing was happening to our governor. We still we stand. We still we stand. We still we stand. Nothing was happening to Steve. Nothing was happening to our governor. You are shooting us. Shoot the governor. Shoot the governor. Fuck them up. Fuck them up. Shoot the governor. You kiss him. We stand with him. We stand with him. We stand with him. It is there and never. The intimidation is too much. We die with him. Yes. They are attacking us. Go stop those so they shoot the flag. Oh, shit. Nothing must happen to Sue. We stand with Sue, Buba. We stand with Sue, Buba. Against the governor, shot at him, but the governor is David. This injustice must stop. Okay. Yeah, what I can say with the please. All men will not go inside. This injustice must stop. This injustice must stop.
The one should notice.
Let the one see how they activated the governor. Let the one see.
Can't punish him. This is the people's governor.
Just let's leave it back. Let's leave it back. Let's leave it back. Let's leave it back.
We are resolute. We are determined. Yes.
We're here.
You cannot intimidate the state governor.
Please. Decorum. Come.
Okay, I'm ready.
Your Excellency, you can see the carnage these people have done here. So,
let me say the good people of Rivers State. It's very unfortunate, very, very unfortunate that we should be experiencing this kind of thing again. After about 9 years ago, when we had a similar experience. I got information, distressing information, very late yesterday. And I said this morning, I will come and see for myself. The truth about it, in our dear state, everybody who knows me knows I'm a peaceful person.
Yes.
I can never, for any reason, even if I'm aware that there is plot to impeach me for whatever reason, I'm not bothered about it. But I'm worried that a facility like this, that we used taxpayers' money to build, will be destroyed for selfish reason, just to please somebody. It's unfortunate. I'm calling on the security agencies. From what I've seen, the security agencies even compromised.
Exactly.
They were shooting at me. Directly. They were shooting at me. This operation was shooting at me directly. Yes. But it doesn't matter. Somebody will die one day.
Yes. I want to die with you.
I want to die. When people hear Fubara, they say, who is this Fubara? Is that man that was killed one time for a struggle? That is what I want to be.
You will not die.
I am not against anybody. I am not planning anything against anybody.
yes.
But I don't know where all these things are coming from. Let it be put on record. Whoever masterminded this thing is trying to shift. I had some people gathered here to do whatever. That is purely rubbish.
Yes.
Purely rubbish. Right. You cannot sit when there is a problem and you say you're doing anything. What are you doing? I'm the chief security officer. I'm the head of the government. Yes. The first person that should come, declare the place, and create an alternative place for assembly to sit. So whatever action for our good people of Rivers State, I know you're prayerful. You've been praying for me.
Hello, Rivers State. Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà. Sherry, ẹ̀rí bọ́n ṣe dàgbòrò bọ́n ṣe ń tẹ omi tear gas. Àwọn ará àdúgbò yarí wọ́n ní sẹ́, we will die with a máa kú pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ni. Wọ́n ní a máa kú pẹ̀lú Fubara ni. Pé our governor must not go. Kí làwọn ará ìlú fẹ́ ṣe? Àwọn ọmọ ogun tí wọ́n ti kó sí Rivers State ní bí àtijọ́ mélòó kan sẹ́yìn kì í ṣe díẹ̀. Ṣé mọ̀ pé immediately tí wọ́n yọ Fubara tán ní kó lọ rọ́kúnlé fún oṣù mẹ́fà. Àná ilẹ̀ yìí wọ́n gbé another person síbẹ̀ ní street pé kó máa ṣèjọba lọ. Nàìjíríà we hate ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ibi tọ́rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ń lọ. Àní Nàìjíríà kò lè work. Kele work ẹ má dára yín láàmú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe máa ṣe hílà hílo tẹ́ ẹ máa ṣe òsínwín kiri ní. Òsínwín ni gbogbo yín. Òsínwín òun ni gbogbo yín. Mo gbọ́ àwọn kọ̀ọ̀kan ní ara àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ọ̀jájúmi the youth leader àwọn Afẹ́nifẹ́re nǹkan tó sọ. Wọ́n ní àwọn bandit wọ́n náà ní nǹkan tó fi ń detect bóyá ẹni tó ń gbéra sọ ń bọ̀ ó mọ́ ọlọ́pàá ń bọ̀. Ọ̀ tó máa track nọ́mbà wọn wá ti mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin kẹ̀ òde ìṣí wọn ni dání. Nàìjíríà ẹ handle security ti. Nàìjíríà kan tó fi ń pè ní giant of Africa mi ò mọ̀ o. Giants síbí kankan. Security in the country ẹ handle ẹ̀ tì. Wọ́n ti sọ di business ẹ máa gbọ́ kidnapper ń jáwó. Everybody are kidnapper now. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ojú ẹ̀ alákan fi ń ṣọ́rẹ́ ẹni tó bá lè jápa ẹ fìlú yẹn sílẹ̀. Ẹni tó bá lè jápa ẹ fìlú yẹn sílẹ̀ kí wọ́n tó hàn orí ilé ìmọ̀. Àwọn tẹ́ ń wò yẹn wọ́n mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe o. Wọ́n mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Ṣé rí bọ́n ṣe ń dàgbòrò rú. Can you see them? Ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa ẹ ní lá fún ẹ máa gidi ni. Ẹ bá wa pín káàkiri. Ẹ bá wa ṣe lógúnlógún ẹ ṣe lọ́gbọ̀nlọ́gbọ̀n. Ẹ bá wa pín ẹ fọ́ká ayélujára. Ẹ jẹ́ ká expose yẹn kí gbogbo àgbáyé kan rí tútù wọ́n pa nínú ìlú. Ẹ wòlú ẹ wò nǹkan tó sọ lódà. Ìlú ò fararọ. Wọ́n declare state of emergency in Rivers State. Can you imagine? Now wọ́n kó àwọn ọmọ ogun kí náà ti pè civil defense. Wọ́n ní kán lọ ṣọ́ ibi tí epo wà. Wọ́n ní kán lọ dibẹ̀ mú. Kó má di pé wọ́n ajá kí ẹ̀. Ibi tọ́kàn wọn wà kò ju gbogbo nǹkan wọn ò ju pé ibi tí wọ́n ti rí owó kó ibẹ̀ ni wà. Kò sí ètò kan pẹ̀lú àwọn ará ìlú. Èwọ̀n bá tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lálẹ́ ẹ̀sìn ẹ jẹ́ ká máa gbọ́ ròyìn láàárọ̀ la. Ẹ máa gbọ́ àwọn mélòó kan ni wọ́n ti hàn léèmọ̀ wọ́n ti pa àwọn èèyàn torí kò sí bọ́n ṣe ní yìnbọn. Ẹ gbọ́ bí bọ́n ṣe inú ròjò. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ gbọ́ nínú fídíò yẹn? Ẹ bọ́n ṣe ń rọ̀jò bọ́ kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀. Nàìjíríà dẹ̀ ní wọ́n mọ bọ́n ṣe ń yìnbọn kan fi dẹ́rù bà àwọn èèyàn. Wọ́n á kọjú ẹ̀ sí ìdí ẹ̀ ni wọ́n á fún ẹ ní ìbọn ní ìbàrí ìdí. Wèrè ni wọ́n. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé wọn làwa ń dá lẹ́bi. Ẹ máa tẹ̀lé wọn. Ẹ lẹ ti rí Godfather. Honorable kíní kan honorable. Ẹ máa stop ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kò sí àǹfààní tó fẹ́ ṣe fún yín. Gbogbo àwọn tó ń tẹ̀lé Fubara ń sìn kọ́ apá gbogbo wọn á ti rọ̀ ń sìn. Àtijẹ àti má di wàhálà. Even Fubara ń gbọ́ ṣe bí àtijọ́ mélòó kan náà ti mọ ibi tó wà. Òun gan kọ́kọ́ lọ sápamọ́ tó ró ti mọ̀ pé òun gan ara ti máa fún pé wọ́n á gbé òun. Wọ́n ti gbé. Nyesom Wike ló gbé síbẹ̀ o. Òun ló gbé Fubara síbẹ̀. Kò jẹ́ kó rí mú mí. Ìwọ wà l'Abuja. Ó jẹ́ kẹ́ni tó ń ṣèjọba ní state kó mí. Ẹ wo Tinubu ti ṣe senator. Ó ti ṣe governor of the state. Ó ti ṣe president. Ọmọ ẹ̀ ní ìyá lọ́jà. Ọmọ ẹ̀ ló ti fẹ́ ṣe. Ṣé ẹ sin bàbá ẹ ti máa sin ọmọ nínú Nàìjíríà? Dẹ̀ ráwọn èèyàn tó ti ń support wọn. Ọmọ Tinubu jáde síta wọ́n á sọ pé bàbá òun ni the best president of Nigeria. Ara lásán pa ẹnu ẹ̀ náà.